Hello, my name is Kumar Sai. I have successfully completed the Cloud Devops training program. In this video, I will explain the DevOps concepts that I have learned during the training and also demonstrate some of the basic AWS services using AWS Management Console. I will also explain how these tools and concepts are used in real-world software concept deployment and development. DevOps plays a very important role in modern IT industries because it helps organizations deliver software faster and more reliably with better quality. What is DevOps? DevOps is a combination of development and operations. The main goal of DevOps is to improve collaboration and communication between the development team who writes the code and the operation team who deploys and maintains the application. Earlier, development and operation teams work separately. Developers focuses only on writing code and operation team focuses on deployment and maintenance. This separation causes delays, deployment and failures and frequent errors. DevOps solves this problem by bringing both teams together and using automation, continuous integration and continuous delivery practices. As a result, DevOps helps in faster software development, continuous delivery of updates, reliable state developments. Now let's go to the DevOps lifecycle. DevOps lifecycle consists of following stages. First phase is planning, understanding requirements and planning the application. Second stage is development. Here we write the code and manage the source code. Writing and managing of source code simply means. And third stage is building. Here we compile and build the application. Means in the sense first in the development phase we write independently some of the modules. In building stage we integrate all the functionalities and modules. After that, in testing phase, automatically testing the application should detect errors. The deploying the application to servers. Monitoring performance of system health. Feedback, collecting feedback for future improvement. This stage works in continuous loops, where these stages all works in continuous loops, which means development and deployments happen continuously instead of once in a long cycle. Automation is used in almost every stage of DevOps lifecycle to reduce manual work, increase speed, and improve accuracy. Tools I learned in DevOps. During Cloud DevOps training, I have learned about several important DevOps tools. One of them is Git, is used for version control, which helps in managing source code and tracking changes made by the developers. Next one is Jenkins, is used for continuous integration. It automatically builds and tests the code whenever changes are made, which helps to detect issues in the early stages only. Next one is Docker. Docker is used for containerization. It packages the applications along with their dependencies so that it can run consistently across various different environments like Ubuntu, Windows. Okay. Next one is cloud platforms, especially AWS, are used for deploying, managing, and scaling applications efficiently. All these tools together help in achieving faster delivery and scalable deployments. Now let's go to the benefits of DevOps. DevOps provides several benefits to organizations such as faster software delivery, better collaboration between teams, reduced development errors, and reduce deployment errors, improve scalability, continuous monitoring and feedback. Because of these benefits, DevOps has become a standard practice in most of the IT companies that are emerging in today. Now let's go and discuss AWS Management Console and Root User. AWS Console Home. This is AWS Management Console, which is web-based interface used to access and manage AWS services. First, we have the root user. The root user is the main account created when AWS is first set up. The root user has full access to all AWS services and resources. However, for security reasons, AWS recommends not using the root user for daily tasks. Instead, root account should be used for critical account level operations. And you can use IAM, identity and access management. Open IAM services. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. IAM is used to manage users, roles, permissions. Using IAM, we can control who can access AWS services and what actions they can perform. IAM improves security by following the principle of least privilege, which means users are given only permissions when they are actually needed. This helps to prevent unauthorized access, reduces security risk. Amazon S3. Amazon S3 stands for Simple Storage and Service. S3 is used for storage and retrieve data such as files, images, videos, backups. Amazon S3 provides high durability, high availability, scalability. Amazon EC2. Amazon EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. EC2 provides virtual services known for instances which are used to run applications in the cloud. Using EC2, we can choose an instance type that operations scale resources based on demand. I want to conclude by saying overall the cloud DevOps training helped me to understand how modern software applications are developed, deployed, and managed using cloud services. I gained practical knowledge of DevOps practices of AWS tools like IAM, S3, and EC2, which are essential in today's IT industry. This training has strengthened my foundation in cloud and DevOps. It will be very useful in my future career in IT cloud-based technologies. Thanking you.